What's going on, YouTubers? EC coming at you with a quick video today. Um, so I'm piggybacking off my buddy Latchkey today with a couple reviews, mainly because I just want to get this out here so he can see them, maybe try them out. I got a couple to review real quick. Just going to be a short video today. I got the Sunbelt Soft Baked Bar, and it is raspberry flavored. So I'm going to give that one a try first. There it is. Mm. Very soft. Filling's not, it's not a lot of filling. Mainly taste the bar. It's really good though. The raspberry Sunbelt protein. Here we go. Next is the protein bar, peanut and almond. This is a good one. Mm-mm-mm. Sorry, y'all, I'm in bed for the night, so it's got the layer of chocolate on the bottom, granola and nuts on the top, and then I guess caramel is holding it together. Cheers. Mm. Really, really like this one because it's got the granola texture and the nuts and the chocolate to finish. Mm, mm, mm. If you're into peanuts, it's like a granola bar with nuts in it. It's basically what it's like. Mm. These are both 10 out of 10. Recommend. The chocolate finish on them is really good, and the nuts. Mm. Go try it out, y'all. Stay hungry. Have a blessed day.